Welcome to our tutorial about AutoCAD's additional options for creating a cylinder primitive. We already covered how to specify the center point, base radius, and height. First click center point, second click radius, third click height. Let's activate the command again. Now right-click and scroll up to 3 point. Point 1, point 2, and now we specify an angle. And point 3 sets the height. Let's try the 2-point option now. Right-click, scroll to 2 points. Next, I'll specify the distance and an angle. Let's say 10 units at 25 degrees. And lastly, we specify the height. Oh, time to regen. I'm not able to pan left. RE and enter. To demonstrate the next method, I need a couple lines to use for tangency. First line, second line, right-click and enter to close the tool. Activate the cylinder command. Right-click and scroll to TTR, that stands for tangent radius. Select the first tangency point, the second tangency point, and third click determines the radius. Let's say 4 units. Press enter to accept, third click sets the height. Okay, let's pan left, activate the cylinder command again. Let's right-click and scroll to elliptical. This creates a cylinder with an elliptical base. First click sets the end point of the first axis. The second click sets the other end point of the first axis. Third click sets the end point of the second axis. Fourth click sets the height. We've got a couple more options now. Activate the cylinder command. Set the center point. Set the radius. And let's specify the height using 2 points. Right-click, 2 point. First point and second point. So now the height of my second cylinder equals the major diameter of the ellipse. Let's try another method for creating a cylinder. Activate the command, center point, radius. To set the height, right-click, axis endpoint. I'll snap to this point as the endpoint of my axis. Let's orbit our geometry a little bit. Again, fast and easy. And this concludes our tutorial about additional options for creating cylinders.